Hello, my name is Sabine Klein and I work for Prinect Service. If you use paper-specific ICC profiles, you can have significantly better color reproduction compared to standard profiles. You create and manage the ICC profiles with the Digital Engine Manager. When you enable automatic selection by paper type in the digital printing step of the cockpit, the correct profile is automatically set when you select the paper. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an ICC profile of this kind with the Digital Engine Manager. You can output the test charts for profiling as A3 or 2 A4 pages. Because these test charts are too big to be measured with a handheld measuring device, you need a measuring device that automatically processes the test charts. The measuring device must be connected to the cockpit computer and enabled. The Konica Minolta FD9 and the X-Rite i1 ICIS are supported at present. In our example, we'll use the X-Rite and the 2-page A4 test chart. Another tip for you: to reduce errors caused by fluctuating temperatures, you should print at least 200 sheets to warm up the press before you print the test charts. In the digital printing terminal, start the Digital Engine Manager. Click New in ICC Profile. Select the paper for which you want to create an ICC profile and the measuring device you will use. If required, you can also set the screen system that you usually use. Click Test Page Output. Select the output tray for the printed test charts and the number of copies. We recommend printing at least 15 copies and then measuring the last of the printouts. Print the test charts now. In the Digital Engine Manager, click Measure and then Calibrate Measuring Device. With the 2-page A4 test chart, you must make sure to measure page 1 first. When the LED flashes, insert the first page as straight as possible along the left edge into the measuring device. The measuring device pulls in the test chart and measures all the patches. After the first page is measured, the result of the measurement will display in the preview on the left. Now measure page 2. When both pages are measured, click Next. The ICC profile can now be calculated on the basis of the measured data. We recommend calculating the profile with the default settings. However, if need be, you can set the following options. The Stable Color Composition option increases the JCR, that is, the replacement of the chromatic process colors. Less color is needed to build up a hue. The gray axis becomes more stable through the increased use of black. Select Matte Printing if you want the printout to be more matte. Maximum inking is reduced and possible glossy effects are avoided. Click Start to calculate the ICC profile. Finally, you only have to apply the new profile. The profile appears in the list. The name is made up of the paper to which this profile is assigned.